Hey, what's up, everybody? Excuse me. Going to do a quick tutorial on Leadsleap, how to submit ads. Now, they got free ads, which you surf to earn. So, you basically view other ads to earn credits to place your own ads. Or you can go the pro route for $25 a month, and you get, I think, 12 or 14 ads. I'm not sure. So, you go add a new ad. You want to put your URL. Run slow today. Catchy title, 25 characters. So you want something just short and something to get their attention. I went a little over. Currently protect your data. Yeah, something like that. So an ad text 60 characters, so gives you a little more space to put, whatever your offer or your ad may be. So you fill that in, and then you want a relevant image. You can now they actually host images, so you can actually host images in Leadsleap. That if you need to get a URL for an image, because a lot of places when you upload an image or video, they want the URL instead of just the file from your computer. So that actually comes in handy a lot with Leadleap. You can host images, and then therefore you can always come and get the URL from the image and upload it wherever you need. It's pretty cool. So then you can come in and pick your image. This is just an example, guys. So there's your image. Category, whatever your niche may be. Affiliate marketing. Link to your social review if you want to put your Facebook in there or anything like that. And save and submit. Ad text is too short, minimum 40 characters. Oh, well. There we go. Oh, gotta break the word up now. I should have just did it regular, huh? And bam, your ad has been submitted. Now, if you want to go the free ad route, process for credits. Where's it at? Oh, right there. Alrighty, I got 0.115 credits. So for this one, it's the same thing. You set your ad up the same way. Oopsie doopsie. Except you'd want to view ads. Now to get your credits, you simply just come over here, start clicking on ads, and then over here you'll see surf and earn every 5 seconds. Surf window Surfing started over here, see? So there it is. 0+1. Show more links. Click on another one. Surfing started. Surf 10 ads a day and earn daily active bonus. Surf more, earn more. And that's pretty much it, guys, as far as posting ads on Leadsleap. So the site has got plenty of value. I mean, there's a lot of resources in here for even just a free account. So it is definitely recommended. And I'll see you guys on the next one.